Hello, Assalamu alaikum AI. Today we're making Korean crispy tacos. This recipe is crunchy, juicy, sweet, so let's cook together and start the video. Trust me, Let's prepare our ingredients. We need chicken breast, flour, and spices. For tacos, we need tortillas and fresh vegetables. And for sauce, we'll use honey and soy sauce. Let's start. Let's season our chicken. Add 1 teaspoon salt and black pepper. Add paprika, garlic, and onion powder. Mix everything thoroughly. Now let the chicken rest to absorb all flavors. Now let's prepare the crispy coating. In a bowl, add 1 cup flour and ½ cup cornstarch. Crack in 1 egg and pour some cold water. This special batter is the secret to getting that perfect Korean-style crunch. Time for the best part. Dip each chicken strip into the batter and carefully fry in hot oil. Listen to that beautiful sizzling sound. Cook until golden brown. Now let's make our delicious honey sauce. Add 3 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, ½ teaspoon sesame oil, and a little chili sauce. Pour the warm honey sauce over the crispy chicken. Toss gently until every piece is beautifully coated. Look at that shiny glaze, sticky and unbelievably tempting. Now let's build our tacos. Place fresh lettuce, shredded purple cabbage, carrots, and green onions inside each tortilla. Glazed Korean chicken. This is already looking restaurant quality. Finish with sesame seeds and a little extra honey sauce on top. Just look at these beautiful Korean crispy chicken tacos. They're colorful, crunchy, juicy, and packed with flavor. Wow! If you'd like to see more amazing everything fresh and balanced. If you'd like to see more amazing recipes like this, the next recipe. Allah Hafiz!